Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly you have to open Play Store, then tap here, go to Manage Apps and Device, then go to the updates available, and here you can see all of your apps which are not up to date, so you can easily update them by tapping Update All button, or just update the ones that you want to be updated, like right now, by tapping Update button next to each app. So easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.